Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making Caribbean smoked cod topped with mango salsa. So first you want to start out with a paper towel. Place your cilantro, a squeeze of lime, for extra tanginess, go ahead and add another squeeze of lime juice. Mix that all together. Keep cool while your fish is cooking. Wow, that fish is perfect. Now you want to eat your fish while it's fresh and hot.